Linking your bank account to Jordan Kuwait Bank in Switzerland is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth connection. Step 1. Gather required information. Before starting the linking process, collect all necessary information. This includes your bank account details, identification documents, and any specific requirements from Jordan Kuwait Bank. Step 2. Access online banking. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to link accounts. Once logged in, look for the option to link external accounts. This may be found under Settings, Account Management, or a similar section. Click on the appropriate link to begin the process. Step 4. Enter bank details. Input the required information for the bank account you wish to link. This typically includes the bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy and submit your request. You may need to verify the linking through confirmation email or code sent to your phone. Follow the prompts to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Jordan Kuwait Bank in Switzerland. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.